Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the departures at a specific point on the TransLink NI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your homepage and click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on the first option, which is departures. What are the next departures or arrivals at a specific point? So click on it and then you should type in the departure point. So type it into the search bar, and now you should wait a few seconds till it loads. So here you can see the overview, you can see the destination and the duration as well. If you tap on it, you will be able to check it out on the map at the top of the screen. So here you can see it marked with this green line in the bus icons. Here you can see the duration. You can tap on the from here point, so you can also plan your way there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.